This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can change the shooting angle or use the camera zoom on this device. So there are ultimately two ways you can adjust the shooting angle / zoom. So first, power on your camera, then tap at the screen to reveal the controls, then tap on this magnifying glass icon, and now select whatever, shooting angle you would like to have. You can set it to super wide angle, portrait perspective, or narrow angle, as you can see. So this is pretty much an option that allows you to manage zoom and or shooting angle at the same time. The second method you can manage or adjust this parameter is by looking at the right side of the camera's frame. Here you'll find two buttons which also allow you to, zoom in / narrow the shooting angle, or zoom out / make the shooting angle wider. And as far as this video goes, that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.